Good afternoon, students. Get ready for today's class. So, are you ready? Okay. Firstly we will revise what we did in previous lecture. So, let's start with point number 1. We have learned the difference between wild plants and domestic plants. So, what are wild plants? Plants that grow on their own are called wild plants. People do not plant them. Clear? And what are domestic plants? If we grow plants, we call them domestic plants. Clear? Second point is we have learned about the benefits of wild plants, like how wild plants are useful for us and animals too. Wild plants are homes to many animals. Many animals eat these wild plants. We use the wood from these plants for many things like making furniture and paper. They also give us oxygen to breathe. I hope you recall it. Good. The name of our block is Kinds of Plants, and today we will discuss lesson 2 of this block. So here are some questions for you that you have to answer. Do all the plants have same features? Second question is, how do these features help them? So students, please pause the video for 2 minutes and write down your own answers. I hope you have done. Let's discuss the answers. Plants in different regions like desert, mountains, plains and seaside have different features. Clear? These features help them to survive in different regions. I hope answers are clear to you all. Okay. Today we will observe some features of plants growing in different regions like mountains, rainforests, deserts, plains and sea coasts. Clear? So students, if you have, then please open your content book. Today we will read lesson 2 and the name of lesson 2 is land plants. So let's start reading. Plants growing on land in different regions have different features. These features help them to survive in that region. Clear? So first one is mountains. In the mountains, it is cold and there could be snowfall. So the trees are conical in shape, have needle-shaped leaves. So you can see in the picture, the leaves are needle-shaped and do not have flowers. They do not have any flowers. इनको कोई flower नहीं होता. Such trees are called conifers. So the trees that have conical shape are called conifers. For example, pine and spruce. Spruce means fir wale पेड़. Clear? So you can see the shape of these trees. These trees are found on mountains. Clear? Next one is deserts. The plants growing in deserts have small, thin, waxy leaves or they have thorns instead of leaves. So जो deserts में पाए जाते हैं trees, उनकी leaves नहीं होती, leaves की जगह कांटे होते हैं. They have deep roots to absorb water. Cacti means cactus. Acacia and many succulents grow here. Acacia, cactus and succulents are type of trees. Succulents means रस से भरे हुए. Clear? So these are the plants and trees that are found in deserts. Clear? Next one is swampy areas. In swampy areas, the soil holds too much water and the roots cannot breathe. Mangrove trees that grow in these regions have roots hanging from their branches so that they can breathe. Swampy areas means दलदली एरिया, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा दलदल होता है. क्लियर? इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी होता है जिसके कारण जो रूट्स होती हैं वो ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाती हैं, तो रूट्स बाहर ही होती हैं. जो रूट्स है ना, ट्रीज़ के ऊपर हैंगिंग होती है, ब्रांचेस के ऊपर हैंगिंग होती है, जिससे कि वो ब्रीथ कर पाती हैं. क्लियर? दिस इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. Next one is sea coasts. On the sea coasts, the water is salty, there is high humidity and strong winds blow. Tall coconut trees grow well in these regions. Their leaves are divided into many leaflets to survive strong winds. You can see these are coconut trees. This is also example of a sea coast tree. Next one is plains. There is diversity in the type of plants that we can see on the plains. Common example of plants that grow on plains are wheat, neem, gulmohar, peepal and bougainvillea. Clear? Picture of wheat. So here are some questions for you. Here is a question for you that you have to answer. Question is, how are the features of plants growing in the different regions different? So students, please pause the video for 2 minutes and write down your own answer. I hope you have done your own answer. Let's discuss my thoughts about this question. Forests in plains have tall green trees and shrubs with woody stem. Trees on mountains have conical shape and small or needle-like leaves, while the trees in plains usually have round shape and broad green leaves. Trees on sea coasts are very tall and branch only at the top. Plants in deserts are small in size, have thorns and very thick leaves, unlike plants in forests. I hope answer is clear. Good. Now we will look some important facts. We will discuss some important facts of this lesson. So let's start with point number 1. In deserts where there is water scarcity, the leaves are very small or they have thorns instead to help them live. Clear? The thorns on cactus plant and thick waxy leaves of some plants in deserts help to reduce water loss. I hope it is clear. Next one is, it snows on high mountains. Snow does not get collected on the needle shaped leaves. क्लियर? तो स्नो जो होती है ना, नीडल शेप लीव्स उस पर इकट्ठी नहीं होती है. क्लियर? थर्ड पॉइंट इज, मैंग्रोव ग्रोज इन सॉइल विच होल्ड्स टू मच वाटर. स्वैम्पी और मार्शी एरियाज मीन्स दलदली जो एरिया होता है, एंड हैज़ हैंगिंग रूट्स. द रूट्स ऑफ मैंग्रोव ट्रीज कैन नॉट ब्रीथ एज द सॉइल इज फिल्ड विथ वाटर. The hanging roots are for breathing. I hope you understand that. Okay. Now we will discuss the keywords and you have to write these keywords in your notebooks. First one is desert. Desert is a large area of land usually covered with sands that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. Clear? Next one is mountain, a very large hill. Pahadi area. Swamp, an area of soft wetland, means daldal wala area. Next one is plain, a large area of flat land with few trees. Samtal bhubhag. sea coasts, the part of the land adjoining or near the sea. I hope keywords are clear to you all. Good. So here is your homework. You have to do practice question 1 and practice question 4. Practice question 1 is match the following. You have to match the column of left side with column of right side. So mountains you have to match. आपको ये देखना है कि ये जो एरियाज़ हैं ये इनमें कौन से ट्रीज मिलते हैं. क्लियर. Next question is question number 4 is what are some unique features of plants growing in these regions. So आपको इनके फीचर्स बताने हैं जो कि वहाँ पे प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं, कि हाई माउंटेन्स पे जो भी प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं उनके फीचर्स बताने हैं. स्विम्बी एरियाज़ में जो भी ट्रीज़ ग्रो होते हैं उनके फीचर्स बताने हैं, और डेजर्ट्स एरिया में जो भी प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं उनके फीचर्स बताने हैं. आई होप होमवर्क इज़ क्लियर टू यू ऑल. Thank you students for watching this video.